What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tam here, and today I am going to show you how to cook some delicious chicken fried rice. Fried rice is so simple and easy to make. It will only take a couple of minutes to cook. You can eat fried rice any time of the day. So let's get started. And you would need the following ingredients: garlic, shallot, green onions, carrot, eggs, butter, soy sauce, black pepper, salt, MSG, vegetable oil, chicken, and your rice. And just a little tip, use day-old rice for a better fried rice. We're going to start by prepping our vegetables. Smash the garlic and finely mince them. This will add a nice aroma to the fried rice. Dice the shallots up nice and uniform so that they can cook evenly. Peel the carrot and cut it lengthwise into straw-like pieces like I am doing here, and dice away. And of course, cut the green onions to garnish the final dish. Alright, the vegetables are ready, so set them aside and let's prep our protein. I'm using chicken tenderloins and cutting them to bite-sized pieces. Next, I am going to crack 2 eggs in a mixing bowl and beat them with chopsticks. Now it's time to cook. We will start off by coating the wok with oil. You will know it's hot and ready to start cooking once it begins to smoke. Start by sauteing the vegetables. Add in the garlic and shallots and enjoy that aroma. Next step, throw in your protein. Continuously flip your chicken so that every single piece gets cooked evenly. Cook them for a couple of minutes. Add a touch of more oil to the wok and throw in the eggs. Get them nice and scrambled. Now add in your carrots for the nice vibrancy and texture. Let's add in your 2 cups of rice. Now here is the ultimate tip. Use day-old pre-cooked rice if you didn't already know. Fresh rice is not the best option here if you want that nice grainy finish to your fried rice. Flatten the rice so they don't clump together. Each grain of rice should be individual. Add butter and mix the rice around. Now we will season it with a little salt and pepper. Add the proper amount to your liking. Also, sprinkle some MSG to achieve that savory umami flavor. Drizzle your soy sauce on top and add green onions. Give everything one last mix and toss and turn off the heat. It's the fried rice. Transfer the fried rice to your serving plate. I personally like to garnish the fried rice with julienne green onions. Now that we're finished, it's time for a taste test. Let me call my wife over and see. Hey honey, dinner's ready. Come on over. Here she is. Moment of truth.
Okay, let's try. Thank you.
Cheers.
That's really good.
Delicious fried rice.
I love it.
I hope you guys found today's video useful, and if you did, please be sure to give this video a like. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Tram and I will try to make 1 video a week, and if you want to catch them when they drop, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much again for watching.
Peace.
Peace.